Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. 3 Chinese citizens and 21,000 crores of scam, 2 years of span, 1 mastermind and 1 multinational company. This is all about the multi-crore loan app scam exposed recently. Who started this scam? Who all involved? Which multinational company is involved and gaining the profits? How it is exposed? Let's look into the complete story of the scam. It all started in December 2018. A gang of 3 members landed in India and started a company in December 2018. The mastermind behind the scam is Lambo, a Chinese citizen. He was the in charge for the 4 companies which developed the mobile apps offering instant loans at very high interest rates. These apps were developed with the help of a Singapore-based developer. Lambo ran the scam through the call centers from Gurugram, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Along with Lambo, there were 2 others involved in the scam. Both of them were Chinese. One was handling the operations in India and the other was running the call center in Pune. These call centers employed hundreds of youngsters to convince the customers to take instant loans at very high interest rates. Customers borrowed small amount ranging from 3,000 to 5,000 through these mobile apps. The loan apps would credit large amount into their bank accounts without customers' acknowledgement and charge a high amount of interest rate for the money credited. The telecallers were trained to harass, threaten and blackmail the people who were unable to repay the loans. They would even blackmail the individuals by sending fake legal notice to their friends and family. These mobile apps access the contact numbers and personal photo videos from the mobile users. The scam was exposed after a man commits suicide due to an online harassment in Hyderabad. The police launched an investigation after 3 borrowers died by suicide after facing severe harassment. The loan defaulter, Hyderabad Techie, hangs himself to death, and another was an agriculture officer. Telangana police has reported that they have received 70 complaints and registered 40 FIRs against this company. So far it is detected that 1.4 crores of transactions were done. The worth of these transactions were 21,000 crores. These funds were routed to the shell companies in Beijing and Singapore. This money was also being used to run an online gaming racket. 3 Chinese citizens have been arrested in Hyderabad in connection with this illegal loan app scam. The main accused, Lambo, was arrested from the Delhi airport on 30th December. He was arrested minutes before he was boarding a flight which would take him to Shanghai. The police of Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Rachakonda in Telangana have written to Google to take down this 158 instant loan apps from Play Store. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.